We will be showing how we use Carbide 3D and Shapeoko XXL to create our wood name puzzles. The hardest part about CNC work is the design. Designing things takes the majority of the time in perfecting things. Finding the correct font when cutting out letters is challenging. The thickness of the letter really is a big factor at this size. For this design, the letters will be 5.85 inches tall, and whatever length the program uses in proportion to the height. I go ahead and add the rectangle around the letters to help align the letters to the middle of the stock that we're cutting. In this example, Carter will be hollowed out, and we will actually not cut the square, it is just for reference. Here we are aligning the letters to the middle. Now toolpaths. Figuring these out is a science. I have failed more times than I can count, but have also figured out what works for our own applications. We will be using a 1/4 inch downcut spiral bit to hollow out the letter area. This is also going to be 2 Carbide 3D documents, one for the hollowed out letter area, which is going to be the back part, and then the letter cutouts, which are made out of poplar. I just create a copy of the first document and then delete the toolpaths, that way all the sizing is correct. For the actual letter cutouts that go in the hollowed area, we use an 1/8 inch bit. Last fun thing about CNC and cutouts is tabs. To keep the pieces from moving once they're fully cut out, we add these little tabs that will be cut out and sanded after it's finished. They're a pain in the butt sometimes to clean up, but not having them runs the risk of ruining your cutout if it comes loose when the router bit is still doing other cuts. These can be added to each letter. Thanks for checking out the design process. We will bring you along to show you the actual CNC machine doing all the hard work next.